Welcome to Dublin, Ireland's vibrant capital where history, culture, and a warm Irish welcome collide. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, this city offers something new to discover at every turn. Join me as we explore the must-see highlights, hidden gems, and a few insider tips to make the most of your time in this magical city. Our first stop is one of Dublin's crown jewels, Trinity College. Founded in 1592, this historic university is home to the legendary Book of Kells, an illuminated manuscript dating back to the 9th century. Don't miss the breathtaking long-room library, often called one of the most beautiful libraries in the world. Insider tip: arrive early to beat the crowds and book your tickets online to save time. Next, let's head to the Temple Bar District, the heart of Dublin's nightlife and cultural scene. While it's famous for its buzzing pubs and traditional Irish music, there's more to explore here than just pints of Guinness. Check out the local markets, art galleries, and quirky shops tucked away in the alleys. And yes, grabbing a pint at the iconic Temple Bar Pub is a must. But venture into smaller pubs for a more authentic, less crowded experience. History lovers, you're in for a treat. Dublin Castle is a blend of medieval and Georgian architecture and has stood at the heart of Irish history for centuries. Explore the grounds or take a guided tour to dive deeper into its fascinating past. A short walk away is the majestic St. Patrick's Cathedral, Ireland's largest church. It's steeped in history and surrounded by a lovely park that's perfect for a peaceful break in the city. No trip to Dublin is complete without visiting the Guinness Storehouse, where you'll learn the story behind Ireland's most famous stout. The interactive tour ends with a pint at the Gravity Bar, offering panoramic views of the city. If you're craving some fresh air, Dublin has you covered. Phoenix Park is one of the largest city parks in Europe and home to Dublin Zoo and wild deer. It's the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a bike ride. For breathtaking coastal views, take a quick train ride to Howth, a charming fishing village just outside Dublin. The cliff walk here is absolutely stunning and a great way to escape the city for a few hours. Now let's talk food. Dublin's culinary scene is thriving, with everything from traditional Irish dishes like stew and soda bread to modern international cuisine. For a budget-friendly option, check out Queen of Tarts for amazing pastries or Leo Burdock's for classic fish and chips. And for unique finds, Dublin's Georgia Street Arcade is a treasure trove of independent shops and quirky souvenirs. Dublin is a city that invites you to explore, experience, and immerse yourself in its charm. From historic landmarks to vibrant culture and warm Irish hospitality, this city truly has it all. If you love this guide, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Dublin highlight, or where are you dreaming of exploring next? Slán agus beannacht. Goodbye and blessings.